So you may have just seen Temu, and you're probably trying to figure out how you can use this particular application. Now, number one, what Temu is it's basically like a shopping application. Think of it like Amazon or Alibaba, something like that. But it's very interesting because it allows you, instead of going through and buying bulk items, which you can also buy individual items, and it's a really, really cool application. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty basic app to kind of understand. Now, to use this application after downloading, you can go and tap on open, and you'll come into an application that looks like this. Now, I literally just downloaded it, so this is basically what it's going to look like as soon as you go and open it up, although I've used it before. Now, at the very top, there's a search bar. So that's a very big thing to keep in mind, because what you can do is you can go ahead and search for whatever you want to. So we'll get into that in a second. There's also a camera icon right here too. So if you tap on the camera icon, this will go ahead and bring up the camera, and it will allow you to go ahead and scan items if you want to go ahead and find similar items. So that is something that's really cool. You have access to that in this application, which this in and of itself is a really, really awesome thing. Now, beyond that, you get into the actual panel here. Now, this top panel is different categories. So if you want to jump to a different category, you can go through and tap on like women or men, home, jewelry. You can tap on any of these other categories at the very top, and there are a lot of different categories to choose from. So I do think this in and of itself is a really cool thing that you can basically do. Scroll through, you can find different types of applications or different types of categories. And I do think this is a really cool thing going on for this type of app. Now, after that, you get into random miscellaneous items. You have this top bar right here, which basically just shows you different deals and different things that are basically going on inside of the application. So that is a really nice thing that you have the capability of kind of seeing there. You also have lightning deals, so there's different deals that basically go on inside of this application. You can see all sorts of other things, and if you ever want to look at an application, you can go and tap on it just like this, and you'll see a bunch of information down here, which will basically allow you to go through and you can, if you want to see this app, or if you want to download it, or so if you want to, buy this item, you can go through and you can choose your quantity here, so you can choose however much you want. You can then go through and you can look at the reviews at the very bottom. You can also scroll at the very top here if you rather just go and see that. And if you want to go ahead and add to cart, you can click here, or you can buy the item directly right here if you just click on buy now. So you do have that option here too, which is really, really cool. You can also share this item if you want to by clicking on the top right button right there, the share icon, and it will allow you to share that icon there as well. Now at the very bottom, you have another option right here, which says categories. So within categories, it will allow you to go ahead. You can basically choose any other category that you basically want. So you can scroll through. You can find a different category that you actually prefer. So if you like toys and games, automobile, automotive, whatever other category you want to choose, you can scroll through there, choose a different category, and that is in and of itself another really cool option that you have there too. Now you can also tap on you, and this is going to be things tailored specifically for you. So these are your settings, these are your profile settings. If you want to sign in or register, you can create an account right there. You can also see your orders here, your reviews, if you left any reviews, coupons and offers, addresses, and even settings. So you can modify your settings here within this application, which, like I said before, is another really, really cool option that you have there too. And finally, at the very bottom, you have your cart. So these are things that you just recently bought. If you just bought an item, if you wanted to go and purchase another one, well, you have the capability of basically going through and purchasing these items right here. And if you sign in, then you can go and purchase them from there. And if you want to start shopping, you can choose there. And you can go through and even choose other items if you really want to. If you want to get them sent to you, you can go through and basically have these items sent to you from this point as well. So that is basically Temu. It's a basic application, not anything super crazy, but there's a lot of stuff to buy, and you can kind of scroll through here and choose whichever one you want. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.